Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to be announcing the giveaway winner pretty shortly. I would like to thank everyone for your participation. Looks like we had a pretty good turnout so far. We're just going to wait a little while longer to wait for a few more entries to come in for 12 a.m. like I had said. So once we get to 12 a.m. I'll close the giveaway, and then I will form a list of all the entries rather, and we're going to be doing it on a winning wheel, so it'll be very fair. Everyone's going to have one entry. Doesn't matter how many times you enter your name, one entry per person. We'll do a spin, and whoever wins that spin will be the winner. And basically what you're going to do once you win on the winning wheel, whoever does win, you're going to email me in the comments or comment in the comments, and you're going to give me your email address. Once you give me your email address, I will personally email you, so that way you can give me all your information, and then once we get in contact, I will delete your email address off of the comments so it's not out there for everyone to see. So good luck everybody, and stay tuned.
Okay, let's get this giveaway started. It is officially January 17th, 12:21 a.m. Here are the list of names that everybody entered with. I'll just go through all of them. We have 65 entries. That way you can see your name is on the list. That's everybody. I'm going to do a quick shuffle. And I'll full screen it. Good luck everybody. And we're gonna spin. Congratulations, Kevin Shanley. So what you need to do is just email me. Well, actually, I'm sorry. What you actually need to do is you need to message me in the comments with your email, and then I will respond to you directly so you can give me all your shipping information. Congratulations again. Thank you for everybody for participating. And always, guys, remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Congratulations again, Kevin.